Hi, hello, namaste. This is Neha. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fly High with Neha. Today, I am going to share a video on complete hair care routine. This includes hair mask, hair wash, as well as how to apply oil in a right way and solutions for dandruff as well as split ends. Okay, let's get started our video. Now, I'll show you how to apply hair mask on your hair. I have dry hair, so I am using curd mask on my hair. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of curd into it. Curd helps to condition your hair. And add a tablespoon of honey into it. Honey helps to stick the product to your hair. So add a tablespoon of it. Now blend them together until you feel that they have mixed. Wear a towel on your dress so that the product on your hair will not fall on your dress. Before you apply hair mask, divide your hair into sections so that the application will be very easy. Make sure that the product spread evenly on your hair, apply it on your scalp and also on your hair length. Curd mask helps to condition your hair. It also repairs the damage. You can even use aloe vera gel or onion mask. Onion mask is very good for your hair. How to prepare it? Mix equal portions of coconut oil and onion juice and massage it on your scalp for 15 minutes and then wash it off with water, cold water. Onion juice helps to reduce the hair fall and strengthen the hair and also increase the thickness of the hair. Or else you can use avocado mask or banana mask on your hair. You can even prefer egg white. Egg white is very good supplement of protein and it directly adds protein to your scalp and it enriches the nutrients. It is very good for your hair. It takes 3 days to supply nutrients to your hair from the body. So your hair need nourishment, right? So apply hair mask to nourish your hair. Not only that, you also need to eat healthy diet. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day. It also good for your hair as well as for your skin too. Prefer the water which are stored in copper jug. We all know the use of copper, right? Eat curry leaves as well as leafy vegetables. You can even prefer the food which is rich in protein. Keep this mask on your hair for 30 minutes and then wash it off with cold water or lukewarm water. Don't use hot water on your hair. After application, roll your hair into a bun. After shampooing your hair, apply conditioner. I use L'Oreal too. Take some amount of conditioner into your hand and apply it on the hair length. Don't use conditioner on scalp. It may cause hair breakage. So when you apply conditioner on your hair length, it protects from the damage as well as it gives a smooth look. It also helps to repair the damaged hair. Apply conditioner more on the hair ends because the area will be more dry. Leave on the conditioner on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. After conditioning your hair, apply serum. Hair serum is very good for your hair. It forms a layer on your hair and protects from sun damage as well as pollution. It also prevents dryness. Serum is nothing but light oil. It contains vitamin E. You can even use heat products after applying serum so that the damage will be very less. Don't apply serum on your scalp and use it in the same way as you used conditioner. Now you can see my hair before and after. Take some coconut oil into your bowl and heat it using double boiling process and then add 3 drops of tea tree oil into it. Now mix it well and apply it on your scalp. Massage it for a while. And this helps to penetrate the oil directly into the scalp. and it makes you relax. Oil helps to fight with dryness and gives you healthy hair. Now divide your hair into two sections and apply oil on the total hair length. Apply oil on the hair ends too, because that area will be more dry than the scalp. Now repeat the same for second side too. Make sure that the oil will spread equally throughout the hair. I have used too many oils, but I felt Parachute is the best. I have also used Dabur Amla oil, even it is good, but even after hair wash you feel greasy on your hair. So I prefer Parachute oil. Now tie your hair into a bun. Do not use comb just after applying oil. It may cause hair fall. Just twist your hair and tie a bun. Wait for 30 minutes and then you can braid your hair. If you have dandruff, use Menthi pack for effective results. How to prepare it? For 3 tablespoons of Menthi, add 5 tablespoons of curd and soak it for overnight. And before you use, just blend it and apply it on your scalp. And you can even use it on your hair length too. Even I have tried it and got rid of dandruff. Just in one wash you can see the result. You can even use it for twice or thrice in a month too. It is really good. Split ends. It is a major problem which stops the hair growth. So what you need to do? To prevent split ends, use conditioner, serum as well as hair mask. And if you are already suffering with split ends, then you need to go for haircut. Or you can even trim the split ends at your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have liked it. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned. Also stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.